Okay guys, hello and welcome. Chris here with a demo video of the Plugin Profits software suite. Plugin Profits is a collection of tools, including a Chrome plugin, which will allow you and your customers to make money using YouTube and any affiliate program by targeting buyer traffic, which has literally just gone live in the last week. And to start this off, I want to give you a very quick demonstration of the opportunity and why it's so exciting. So I have YouTube open and you can see that I've searched best gaming laptops under 1000 2020, and this is the exact type of search that anyone who's interested in a gaming laptop would have searched last year. And by the way, there's loads of different variations for this. If I just remove the under 1000 and type best gaming laptops for Fortnite, we can put best gaming laptops for students, and you can see we end up with something really quite long tail, such as best gaming laptop for architecture students. But really, there's kind of 3 points I want to make about these types of keywords. The first point is that these are buyer keywords. So anyone searching for these keywords is about to buy a gaming laptop or an air conditioner or a kitchen or whatever it is they're searching for. They are in the process of looking to buy that, and they're looking to use YouTube to inform their decision. So these are targeted buyer keywords, and because of that, the views can generate a lot of money, whether it's as putting affiliate links, Amazon affiliate links in the description, or ClickBank or Warrior Plus, or your own links, or whatever it is. This is buyer traffic. The second point about it is that this is highly long tails. You can see there, just by entering a seed keyword, best gaming laptop, we've generated tons and tons of variations that we can play around with, all of which are going to be very easy to rank for. And the third point I want to make regarding these keywords, which is the most exciting point, is that these keywords are very often appended with 2020. So you can see here I've searched best gaming laptop under 1000 2020, and we have these videos that, 30,000 views, 11,000 views, 500,000 views, 150,000 views, quite some kind of competitive videos that are appearing there. And if I just change the 2020 to 2021, you'll see that it is completely different, and we have some much newer, much more low-tech, much less competitive guys who are ranking for this keyword. It's the exact same keyword, and of course no one in 2021 is searching for the best laptop in 2020, and this is the opportunity that has just gone live this week, literally in the last few days, and it's what we're going to tap into using a combination of automation, AI, a brand new Google Chrome plugin, and some done for you stuff. So normally with the JV demo I just kind of dive right into it. But here I wanted to just kind of do a little intro just to kind of explain exactly why I'm so excited about this opportunity and why you should be excited for your customers as well. And all of this is explained in full detail on the sales page. So I think this is going to do really, really well, and a lot of people are going to make money from this. So with that all being said, let's dive in and actually start using the tool. Okay, so there's basically 3 core steps to Plugin Profits. Firstly, we are going to find our buyer keywords and do a little bit of data entry, really, for want of a better phrase, and build up a list of the top recommendations for that particular keyword. So if it's, top gaming laptops under $1,000, then we're going to enter some data points about the top gaming laptops under $1,000. Now we can either copy and paste this, we can drag and drop this, or we can kind of look at what's already out there and just do a little bit of writing and quickly create our own top list, which is what I'm going to do, I think, in this demo. And we've also included a list of done for you products inside the database. So you can either add your own via the Chrome plugin by using those 20,000 buyer keywords, or you can just start off with the almost 1,000 done for you products we've included. Once you've built that file, the plugin's going to export a zip file, which you can then import into a second tool, and which will then create a automated voiceover and a campaign file. And that's going to basically wrap everything up and give us all the information we need to do step 3, which is to create our video. And then the last step is to take that campaign file, which contains all the information we entered with the Chrome plugin in step 1 and the voiceover we created on step 2, and we're going to input that into a video creator, which is then going to turn all of that information with the voiceover, the images and the data into a perfectly formatted best of style video, which we can then upload to YouTube and rank for our keywords such as best gaming laptop under $1,000, best laptop for architecture students, or whatever it is. So really excited about this one. So let's dive in. So the first thing we'll want to do is to install the plugin, which is called the Plug and Paster. And what we're going to do here is just follow the prompts, which you can see go like this. So the first thing we have is step 1, click on the bulb to get the niche. And so essentially all we're going to do is click here and it's going to suggest different niches for us. So best VPN 2021, best wireless headphones 2021, best blogs, best outdoor grills. And I'm just going to keep on clicking on this for a few seconds, just so you can see that there's over 2,000 different niches included in this. And what's also cool about this is you saw earlier I had the best gaming laptops, and then I put the word for in, and Google suggested a load of variations. So best gaming laptops for under $100, best gaming laptops for students, best gaming laptops for, and basically a list of possible use cases. Well, if we click on the spinner icon, it's going to add suggested words to kind of refine this and make this even more long tail. So for example, best full tower case 2021, no battery, or best iPhone 2021, no problems with the speakers or whatever. You can basically drop that into Google and Google will fill out the kind of the last bit for you. So let me just click on this and just try a few. So we've got best full tower case 2021 for students, for gamers, for whatever it is. And I don't know what that is, but I'm just going to keep on clicking. So we'll run with this one, best computer monitors 2021, and I'm going to click on the spinner icon and see if we can refine that. So best computer monitors 2021 under. Okay, so that is a pretty good starting point. And what we do now is we click on this icon here, and it's going to load up a Google search for that particular phrase. And then all I'm going to do is scroll down and just choose one of these results and, just click through and use this as the starting point for ours. And so if I scroll down, you can see that these guys have basically done the job of preparing reviews and ratings, just like what we want to do. So let me start by just copying some of this information. And by the way, I would normally go and find my own images, but for the purposes of this demo, I'm just going to use the images here. So let's just paste this in. We'd also put our affiliate link here, the image. I'll copy this over here. And then all we need to do is just enter a bit of information. So what type of this? Is it a 4K? Yeah, so 4K monitor. Price. You could do US dollars, but this is in pounds, so I'm going to do £640. And then we've got these 3 features we can add, and these can either be positive or negative. So I'm going to go with 2 positive and probably 1 negative. So the positives, great 4K resolution, and we could copy this and paste it in, but I'm just going to try inserting this. Large screen, or put very large screen, just so we're doing something slightly different. And downside, some features are a bit niche, so overly techy features. So that's the first product that we've done. And let's just do the second one. And again, you could go to click back on Google, go and find a different one, and then insert that one. You'd probably want to pull your images either direct from the affiliate program you're promoting or from a royalty-free site. But again, in the interest of speed, I'm just going to put these in here, product 2, and then we'll copy this. Just put one image in and type. So this is really a gaming monitor. Feature, very high refresh rate. Plus number 2, great responsiveness. I'm just going off what's here. Downside, very expensive. And I'm just going to leave it there for now and just click on Save and Export Campaign. And it's now going to export this information. So we are now ready to move on to the next step. Okay, so you can see that it's downloaded that as a CSV file, which we can now import into the second tool. So just to recap, we found our buyer keywords, we've built our little database, and we can either now import that into into tool number 2, the Zen affiliate tool, or we can choose from done for you products inside the database. So I'm not going to import, and you can also manually enter the information if that's your thing. And what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to go straight over to the done for you campaigns, and I'm actually going to start adding some of these myself manually. So just going to click on save keyboard. I'm actually going to do a different demo targeting cameras. So let me just pull up some cameras. Here we go. And you can see I've selected 3. Let's just select a few more and we'll rate them as we go through, which will then determine the order. And save to clipboard, and I've selected 5, and so I'm ready to export. So let's call this one Best High-End Camcorders 2021. And you can see it's basically taking the text that we entered before, that kind of manual data entry text, and it's expanded it into a paragraph and wrapped it in this this kind of presentational text. So we can just scan through this and, make any grammatical changes if we want. So then you need Canon, then you need the Canon, full framing. We just go through and tweak these, but it's like basically a 500-word voiceover that we've created there. And then all we do is we scroll to the bottom, we choose our voiceover. So this is targeting the UK niche, so I'm going to go with Mail UK. And then I just click on Export Campaign Zip for website, and it's going to create a zip file along with a voiceover, which we can then import into our video tool. Okay, so we've now exported the zip file, and I'm now going to go over to the Zen Video Creator tool and import that. And you can see it's now imported all of those different bits of product information. We can go back and change settings. We can change background images and colors. So maybe you want to have a different type of background. We've already imported our voiceover, which was created with AI. And we have all the product information here, as you can see.
Coming in at number 4, Nikon D810FX format digital SLR camera body. Nikon.
And we can just go through and edit those. We can rearrange them. And essentially we can just, tweak these and just customize it exactly as we want, play around with the timings, and then when we're happy with it, we can just choose some different animations, which you can see there's all these different animations here for all of the different slides. And then we just click on render, and it's going to create a video which we can basically upload to YouTube for our buyer keyword. So we're going to upload this, create this video, and upload it to YouTube targeting best high-end DSLR camcorders. So in this example, we used the done for you campaigns, which are included inside the actual tool, but we can also use the Chrome plugin to generate an infinite number of keywords, which are going to target those extremely high value, low competition buyer keywords, which have literally just gone online in the last couple of days. And by using this append feature, we can make it even more long tail and take those 20,000 keywords up to literally the millions of possible keywords we can target.